YouTube fam, my name is Julia Green, and if this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you. Normally I post travel content, but today I'm going to be traveling in my own hometown city of Portland, Oregon. I actually live in a suburb just south of Portland, but I've grown up coming to this beautiful city my whole life. One of my favorite things to do whenever I'm traveling is to check out all the cute and fun and quirky coffee shops. So today, I thought I would take you along to some of Portland's most popular coffee shops, show you around what it looks like, and then give you a little bit of my review of what my experience was like there. It's a beautiful day in Portland, and so I thought this would be a great day to take you along. Feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more fun travel content. Come along with me to my first coffee shop. Alright, the first coffee shop that I went to was called Society Hotel Cafe, and as you can see, I loved the coffee. It is nearly gone. I got a honey latte, which is what I always end up getting. In regards to the ambiance of the coffee shop, it was wonderful. There were velvet textures, deep dark wood. It had kind of like an old world hotel feel. Definitely a great place to work. There were tons of people there working, high-speed internet. I also really liked that there is a rooftop there with a really beautiful view of the city of Portland. So on a beautiful day like today, you could go up to the rooftop and work or have coffee. In regards to the friendliness of the barista, the woman who helped us was so friendly, and I really feel like it helped make the experience just extra special. So overall, for Society Hotel Cafe, I would give it a 2 thumbs up. The location was in Chinatown. It was really close to the waterfront, so you could also grab your coffee and go walk along the waterfront. So definitely check out Society Cafe if you are in Portland. Coffee shop that we stopped at is Sisters Coffee Company. Now this coffee shop originated in Sisters, Oregon, which is in Central Oregon, right next to Bend, if you've heard of it. and I loved going to that coffee shop. But since then, they put a shop in the Pearl, which is a beautiful spot in Portland. And you know, I thought it would be kind of a similar experience. I got the Daydream Latte, which is a vanilla bean latte, and a really yummy granola bar. However, unfortunately, the baristas weren't that friendly or nice. It just kind of felt like they didn't really want to serve us coffee or really want us in the coffee shop. So in regards to the customer service, I would give it a thumbs down, which is hard to say because I love the overall company and the coffee's pretty good. In regards to the location, it's perfect, close to lots of really beautiful parks. Ambiance is really bright, lots of windows. It seems like a great place to work. And then in regards, to the coffee flavor, it tastes pretty good. I wouldn't say it's the best coffee I've ever had, but it's decent coffee. So if I were to rate this coffee shop, I would give it a medium just because they weren't that friendly. But it's definitely worth checking out if you're in Portland, especially if you're hanging out in the popular area of the Pearl. Next stop was Kova Coffee on the east side of Portland, and I absolutely love this coffee shop. It's totally different from the others. It has this like industrial feel where they're selling both coffee but also woodworking in their coffee shop. It has cement floors and like garage doors to open up and let all the natural light in. If you like the industrial feel, it is definitely a great place to go and work. However, it definitely could be a bit distracting and not as warm and cozy as some of the other shops. It's just up to whatever your vibe is. In regards to the coffee, this is probably the best that I've had from Coava. I just got a vanilla latte. And then in regards to the baristas and just the overall mood, everyone was so nice and so like friendly and kind that it's definitely a shop that they make me want to come back because they were so nice. So 2 thumbs up for Kova Coffee. After I get my afternoon coffee, I love to travel on up to the Pittock mansion to watch the beautiful sunset. Come along with me as I show you around. Super easy. What is your names?
I'm Olivia. I'm Emerson.
And what's your favorite coffee drink?
Mine right now is an iced lavender honey latte with milk. That one's really good. I love a caramel macchiato with breve instead of the 2% and a little bit of cinnamon sprinkles mixed in. So good. It's really good.
Thanks. Okay, if you're looking for a coffee shop that's just outside of Portland, definitely check out Willamette Coffee House in Westland. It's about 15 minutes south of Portland. I seriously love this coffee shop. The ambiance is a great place. It's bright, it's happy. The baristas are super friendly. I made some new friends today, Emerson and Olivia, and I cannot wait to come back and say hi to them. I also love just like how easy it is to get on and off the freeway from this, so it's a great location. It also looks like a great place to work. Really fast Wi-Fi. There were tons of people working in there, so if you're in the area, definitely check out Willamette Coffee House. Also, I got a vanilla latte and it tastes so good. I love this. Okay, the cafe eclair is the best. Ended up getting the cafe eclair. It is my favorite thing to get here. Bon appetit! They accidentally put 2 lids on here. That's so good. All right, what did you all get?
I got the St. Patty's Day, so I got the Irish cream cold brew and a chocolate croissant.
Yummy.
So, yeah, exciting.
What did you get?
I think I got the Black Forest cake and the water. Pretty good.
Tasty treats?
Yum.
Checking out this view. All right, so today I went to St. Honore Boulangerie in the stunning Lake Oswego, just 5 minutes south of Portland. I got my classic vanilla latte, and I must say the vibes were there if you like French culture. St. Honore Boulangerie really tries to emulate the French pastry vibes and the coffee and the atmosphere and the ambiance, which I absolutely love because I love Paris. They have the best pastries. I got a cafe eclair, which is my favorite. I will say the coffee has a unique vanilla flavor that's different than some of the other cafes that I've tried, and I really like it. It's not as sweet. The coffee's pretty good. I would say I love it. And in regards to workability, it's definitely a place I could see myself working. It's seated in just a really quaint little town of Lake Oswego, like in the downtown area. So you're seeing lots of people walk by, and on a beautiful day like today, you feel all the sunshine through the windows. So I would give this coffee shop 2 thumbs up and definitely recommend stopping by if you're in the Portland area. Thank you for joining me as I went around to some of my favorite coffee shops in the Portland and surrounding area. Hopefully, if you ever travel to Portland, you will try 1 or 2 or maybe all of these coffee shops, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.